Welcome to more IFC. It is what it is. Ladies. This is how to draft your pants, your underwear. Very simple, easy way. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. It is well explained. If you know how to draft this pattern, you can do any style that you want. All you need is your hip measurement and your waist measurement. Your hip measurement and your waist measurement. You divide your hips into 4. Whatever you get, write it down. You divide your waist into 4. Whatever you get, you write it down. Don't add sewing allowance yet. Like I said, don't add sewing allowance yet. So we're going to use your hip measurement. You fold the fabric or your pattern into 2 like this. Fold it 2 like this. We are using your hip measurement for here. When you divide your hip measurement, whatever you're gonna get 9, you're gonna get 9.5 or 10 or 10.5 or 11. Use that as the length of your underwear. For now, I just came up like 1 inch to leave a space to serve as my ending point for the length of the underwear. So I marked 9.5. I don't know your hip, but you gotta divide your hip into 4. But you have to know the type of fabric that you're going to use. You got to know the type of fabric. You know, there are different kinds of fabric out there. We have very stretchy one and the one which are not stretchy, and that the medium stretch. No, there are different kind of a stretchy fabric. So you have to know the type of fabric that you are using. So as I divided the hips into 4, this is the marking that I'm giving. And after that, I'm going to add 1 inch to each again. So this is 9.5. I added 1 inch to making 10.5 for the elastic. So I draw my lines. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. It is what it is. Like, comment, and share. We're going to use your waist measurement. You divide your waist measurement into 4. Divide your waist measurement into 4. Like I said, you have to know the type of fabric that you are using. When you are using very stretchy fabric, you don't need to add any sewing allowances. You don't have to add. You have to use the same measurement. Don't add some, no, use it. So your waist measurement, you divide it into 4. Whatever you get, you mark it. You know, this part that I'm marking, I'm starting from the line, from this first line that I drew. For the line, you gotta have to mark 3 inches or 4 inches or 5 inches. Constant, you can make it 7 inches, but I made it 3 inches. You can make it 3.5 or 4.5. So from that part, it should be 4 inches. 1.5. You can make it 2 if you want, but 1.5 is cool. 1.5 is cool. So you join it together, a straight line. You come to the top, you go in 1/2 inch. You have to go in 1/2 inch. Like I said, you have to know the type of fabric that you are using. Again, I'm repeating myself. Know the type of fabric that you are using. Because this is underwear. You don't want no bulky, you don't know no spaces. You have to fit you well. You know, so you have to go in because the fabric is very stretchy. You gotta go in and remove 1/2 inch from it. so that it can fit you properly. This part, we're going to divide it into two. You divide that part into two. It is 9. When you divide 9 into 2, you're going to get 4.5. So you mark your 4.5. You go in 1 inch. You can go 1.5 inch. You can go 2 inches. But I'm going in 1 inch. Then I'm going to make a curve. If you have a French curve, you can just make your curve. If you don't have it, hey, don't say you don't have it so you can't do it. I'm using my hand. So as you can see, I'm using my hand. So if you don't have it, you have no excuse. You just have to use how to use your hand. So the front part, I'm going in 1/2 inch. I'm going in 1/2 inch, or you can go 0.25, 0.2. Just go in a little bit. By the way, this is the front part of your pant. The front, we are working on the front. This is the front. So this is how the front is. We have done with the front. I can cut the front, but I want to draw the back to it as well. I'm going to draw the back to it as well. So watch is very curvy. Now we're going to work with the back. The front, we have done with the front. We finished with the front. I can put it there and take another pattern, but I'm just trying to draw the back to it. So you just have to go outside like that, and 1/2 inch. Remember, we are working on the middle as well. That is a 1/2 inch. Then you draw your curve. I repeat myself, we are working on the back. This is the back that we are doing right now. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on notification bell so you never miss any of my tutorial. So this is the back. From that point, I came in like 0.2 or 0.25. I make a slightly curve. Just a slightly curve on that part. And on that top, I came up 1/2 inch. I came 1/2 inch on top. Then I drew a straight line. Just like this. So we're done with the back. So you just have to get your pattern. You fold it into two the same way like this. You put it on it. We are going to cut the back first. Before cutting the front. If you have a pin, you just have to pin it out. If you have some stuff that you have to put on it, you just have to put on it. As you can see, I'm taking my time in cutting. Like I said, I'm cutting the back, and now the pattern is 2 now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It is what it is. Mora FC. So this for this you can do a lot of stuff. So we're done with the back. I hope you have seen it clear. So we put the back somewhere. This is the back. So now we're going to cut the front. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. When you subscribe, you are motivating me to do more. You are motivating me to do more. So keep on subscribing. So as we finish cutting it, this is how the front and the back. We are not done yet. We just have to cut. When you look at your pant, you can see there's an extra fabric inside. It's called a gasset, or maybe the gusset, the gusset or the gasset. You have to get that one. It's very important. Don't buy a pant when there is no gasset or this gusset, whatever they call it. And you have to buy that one. It's very important. It is very, very important. That as for ladies, you should have it in your pant. So I folded my pattern into two like that. I'm trying to measure it. You know, the back, you're supposed to go in for the back like 1.5, and for the front you go in like 3 inches. So the length of your gusset supposed to be like 6.5 or 7 or 8. Yeah, it depends how you want it to be. By the front, the maximum you can make it 4 inches. In the back, you make it 2 inches, making 6 to get the perfect fit. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on notification bell so you never miss any of my tutorial. So this is how it's going to be. I just have to sketch and get everything right. I should have gotten my solid tape. So that I just stick them together. So it's supposed to be like something like this. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. I'm just tracing it up. So we are done. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Thanks for liking. It's more IF series. what it is. It's very simple, very easy to draw this pant, this underwear. You can make a lot of design style that you want it. Watch out for more tutorial on panties. So much to come, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and click on the notification bell so you ain't gonna miss any of my tutorial. It is what it is.